Emulating what wealthy individuals do makes sense if you want to be affluent. But it's important to remember that beliefs and ways of thinking affect how people act. The difference between the rich and the poor is that the rich take responsibility for their own lives and don't give up when they fail. Wealthy individuals are willing to learn and seek advice from others, and they can see the big picture rather than being absorbed by what is right in front of them. So, if you want to join them, here are things you can do to begin thinking and acting like them. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to think and act like a rich person. Let's now get going. Number 1. Invest in yourself. Warren Buffett says investing in yourself is the one investment that outperforms all others. Everyone has untapped potential, and nobody can take what you have inside of yourself away. And he is completely correct. Learning to invest in yourself may be the most profitable investment you'll ever make. It frequently delivers immediate payoffs as well as future rewards. Investing in yourself can improve your life by introducing you to new acquaintances, ideas, and experiences that you might not otherwise have. Your life may become more balanced and satisfying as a result. Making personal and professional growth a priority is the best way to improve your productivity, success, and happiness, as well as your quality of life as a whole. The best way to do this is to broaden your knowledge and skills through extra education, training, and knowledge extension. Number 2. Never stop learning. No matter how accomplished they are or how far they have come, the wealthy never stop learning. They are continually craving education and looking for the next opportunity. Rich people put in a lot of work to learn from others so they can keep getting better. You can only stop growing if you stop learning. Education is an investment since it allows you to become a more well-rounded individual. It allows you to connect with others while also giving you the confidence you need to succeed in other aspects of your life. Every opportunity to learn and grow is seen as the most secure and assured investment they can make. Number 3. Invest in vehicles that will generate income. The majority of people only have one source of income, which is their employment. They go to work Monday through Friday and are paid at the end of the month. The wealthy, on the other hand, have several revenue streams. There are two kinds of income streams, active and passive. Active income is when you do something or provide a service for which you get paid. Passive income is money that is not directly related to the work you do. Having multiple sources of income is a good idea. Even if one stream stops working for some reason, you can still keep your life going by using the other streams. Diversifying investments is more of a way to make money than a way to stay alive for investors who put all of their money into one asset and want to limit their losses. Number 4. Wake up early. Getting up early can be difficult at times. I can't tell you how many times I've wished I could hit the snooze button. Waking up before your competitors can provide you with the tools you need to succeed. A clear mind and few distractions. The earlier you get out of bed, the more time you have for yourself. This time can also be used for exercise and meditation. You'll be mentally prepared before beginning your real responsibilities. By getting up early, you may learn about time management and make the most of each moment. Successful people can work out, feel good about themselves, and complete their tasks. Early risers are out and about while everyone else is still sleeping or pressing the snooze button. The wealthy and successful believe that what you do after you wake up is far more significant than when you wake up. It all comes down to time management and capitalizing on every opportunity. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 5. Do what you're passionate about. Perhaps you've imprisoned yourself in a career that pays well but isn't your passion. In the end, prioritizing money over passion will not get you very far in your profession. Making money is necessary in today's environment, but it should not be our major focus while picking a profession. Follow your passion instead of your passion for money to start your career, because you will work harder and better in the long run. The seed of success is passion. Every successful individual in history started off by pursuing their passion against all odds. Thoughts and goals may come and go, but if you stay passionate, good things will eventually come your way. Number 6. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Wealthy people understand the importance of surrounding themselves with successful people. They surround themselves with people who are more successful than they are. The wealthy spend time meeting other like-minded people at conferences, gatherings, events, or simply having lunch or a cup of coffee every now and then. This is time wisely spent since it keeps their minds focused on success and helps them meet new people with fresh perspectives. This also helps rich people fill their contact lists with important and well-known people who might be able to help them. Surround yourself with people who share your values. Surround yourself with successful, driven, and hardworking people, and they will inspire you to do the same. Number 7. Embrace change. We've been taught that the only constant in life is change, and this is correct. Change is unavoidable. It forces us to make decisions and take action outside of our comfort zone. Accepting change needs far more effort than simply going about our everyday activities. Routines are safe and predictable for creatures of habit. Many people believe that change is a bad thing, but you can't stop it from happening. What matters most is how you react to it. Successful people deal with change by letting it affect them. They see it as a chance for expansion and upward momentum. Your choice to welcome change for the chances it brings will be one of the most important steps on your way to wealth and success. Successful people recognize that regardless of how bad things appear to be, change presents chances if you are willing to embrace them. Number 8. Be mindful of your spending. When you think of wealthy people's lifestyles, you frequently envision luxury, such as a home, a closet full of designer clothes, expensive automobiles, and yachts. Yet wealthy people don't spend as much as you think. They buy based on their objectives and financial situation. One possible explanation is that they thrive on saving and investing money rather than wasting it. It's not always easy to resist the urge to overspend, but it's essential if you want to become wealthy. Allow some money for wants, but remember that your basic living needs and long-term goals should come first. The moment has come for you to begin, just as it was for everyone else. Whatever stage of your financial life you're in, developing good financial habits early on can help you decide how you want to handle, use, and invest your money. Number 9. Always have a goal in mind. We all recognize the value of having goals, yet as we go through life, we frequently underestimate their significance. Setting goals encourages us to approach the goal as though we've already achieved it. This means that when we set a goal, no matter how big or small it is or how far away or close it is, a part of our brain thinks that the desired outcome is a key part of how we create the conditions that make us want to work toward the goal so that the brain's self-image is fulfilled. To achieve your highest goals, you must be prepared to sit down and construct a life that is individually tailored for you. A goal provides you with motivation and a sense of direction. When developing goals, several factors should be considered. Setting goals gives you control over your life and a way to tell if you're doing well or not. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.